Here we are. We're getting on the ferry from Cape May Lewis, from Lewis basically, but it's Cape May Lewis Ferry. And so here we are aboard. We're going aboard. Yay. I don't know what lane they're going to put us in, but yes, we're all the way in the front. Woohoo! Yeah. He's going to bring us all the way up there. Nice job. Nice job. I like it. It would have been preferable to be whatchamacallit, but here we go. Oh, that's our dude. He's going to make sure that we get the thingy tucked under us. So, I don't know if you can see out there. Let's see the water. You can see that water? It's going to be a bit rough today.
How do you know that?
Because